Nestled in the heart of Maharashtra lies a town that many have yet to discover. This hidden gem is a testament to the rich cultural tapestry and natural beauty that the state has to offer. LOHA is a small town with a big heart. Its streets are lined with traditional houses that tell stories of generations past. The town exudes a charm that is both timeless and inviting. It is located in the Nanded district, a region known for its historical significance and vibrant culture. The district itself is a mosaic of diverse traditions and communities, each contributing to its unique identity. The town is easily accessible, with well-maintained roads leading you through picturesque landscapes. As you approach LOHA, the journey itself becomes a part of the experience, offering glimpses of rural life and natural beauty. LOHA offers a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. From ancient temples to vibrant festivals, the town is a living museum of traditions and heritage. The scenic views of the surrounding countryside add to its allure. It is a place where time seems to stand still. The slow-paced life allows visitors to truly unwind and connect with the essence of rural India. The quiet streets and serene atmosphere provide a perfect escape from the chaos of modern life. Visitors can experience the warmth of its people and the charm of a bygone era. The locals are known for their hospitality, always ready to share a smile and a story. Their way of life is a reflection of the town's rich cultural heritage. LOHA is an ideal destination for those seeking respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. The tranquil surroundings and the simplicity of rural living offer a refreshing change of pace. It's a place where you can reconnect with nature and yourself. The town is surrounded by lush green fields, which are a testament to the region's agricultural heritage. These fields not only provide a scenic backdrop, but also play a crucial role in the local economy. The sight of farmers tending to their crops is a common and heartwarming one. It is a peaceful and tranquil place, where the only sounds you hear are the rustling of leaves and the chirping of birds. The serene landscape invites you to take leisurely walks and soak in the natural beauty. LOHA invites you to slow down and savor the simple joys of life. Whether it's watching the sunset over the fields, enjoying a cup of tea with the locals, or simply taking in the sights and sounds of the town, every moment here is a reminder of the beauty of simplicity. Come discover the magic of LOHA. This hidden gem in Maharashtra is waiting to be explored, offering an experience that is both enriching and unforgettable. Let LOHA's charm captivate you and leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. LOHA has a rich historical past. Nestled in the heart of India, this town is a living museum where every stone and street corner has a story to tell. The air here is thick with the whispers of bygone eras, and the very ground you walk on is layered with centuries of history. From the moment you set foot in LOHA, you are transported back in time to an age where empires rose and fell, and where the echoes of ancient battles still resonate. The town has witnessed the rise and fall of empires. It has seen the grandeur of mighty kingdoms and the devastation of their downfall. The ruins scattered across LOHA are silent yet powerful reminders of the town's tumultuous past. These ancient remnants are not just stones and rubble. They are the skeletal remains of once thriving civilizations that shaped the course of history. Walking through these ruins, one can almost hear the clashing of swords and the cries of warriors who fought bravely to defend their land. It holds within its heart stories of valor, love, and sacrifice. The tales of brave warriors who laid down their lives for their homeland, of lovers who defied all odds to be together, and of ordinary people who made extraordinary sacrifices. These stories are etched into the very fabric of LOHA, passed down through generations and kept alive by the town's inhabitants. Each monument and artifact serves as a testament to these timeless tales, preserving the legacy of those who came before us. LOHA's history is etched in its ancient temples, forts, and monuments. These structures are not just architectural marvels, they are the custodians of the town's rich heritage. The temples, with their intricate carvings and sacred sanctuaries, tell stories of devotion and spirituality. The forts, standing tall and proud, speak of strategic brilliance and military prowess. And the monuments, scattered throughout the town, are silent witnesses to the passage of time, each with its own unique story to tell. They whisper tales of a glorious past. The carvings on the temple walls, the inscriptions on the monuments, and the very stones of the forts all have a story to share. These whispers of history are a reminder of the town's glorious past, of the achievements and struggles of its people. As you explore these ancient sites, you can almost hear the voices of the past, guiding you through the annals of history and revealing the secrets of a bygone era. The architecture of LOHA's historical buildings is a testament to the skills of its craftsmen. The intricate designs and detailed carvings are a reflection of the artistic brilliance and craftsmanship that flourished in this town. Each building, each structure is a masterpiece in its own right, showcasing the ingenuity and creativity of the artisans who built them. These craftsmen were not just builders, they were artists whose work has stood the test of time and continues to inspire awe and admiration. Intricate carvings and majestic structures speak volumes about a rich artistic heritage. The sculptures and carvings found in LOHA are not just decorative elements, they are works of art that tell stories of gods and goddesses, of mythical creatures and legendary heroes. These artistic creations are a testament to the town's rich cultural heritage and its long-standing tradition of artistic excellence. They are a window into the past, offering a glimpse into the lives and beliefs of the people who once called this town home. Each corner of LOHA has a story to tell. The narrow streets, the bustling market squares, and the ancient alleyways are all steeped in history. Every corner of this town has witnessed countless events and has its own unique story to share. As you wander through the streets of LOHA, you can almost feel the presence of the past, as if the town itself is eager to share its secrets with you. Each step you take is a journey through time, uncovering the layers of history that make LOHA so special. The stories wait patiently for those who are willing to listen. The town of LOHA is a treasure trove of history, waiting to be discovered by those who take the time to explore and listen. The ancient ruins, the historical monuments, and the stories of the people who once lived here are all waiting to be uncovered. For those who are willing to listen, LOHA offers a rich and rewarding journey through time, revealing the secrets of its past and the legacy of its people. Every year, LOHA comes alive with the vibrant Malegoan Yatra. This festival is a significant event for the locals. It is a celebration of faith and devotion. Pilgrims from all over Maharashtra flock to LOHA to participate in the festivities. The streets of LOHA transform into a sea of colors. The air is filled with the sounds of devotional songs. The energy is infectious. The Malegoan Yatra is not just a festival, it is an experience that stays with you long after it is over. Just a short drive from LOHA lies the magnificent Nanded fort. This fort stands tall on a hilltop. It overlooks the city of Nanded. The Nanded fort is a testament to the architectural prowess of the bygone era. Visitors can explore the fort's ramparts, bastions, and secret passages. The fort offers breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. A visit to Nanded Fort is like taking a step back in time. Section 5, the Himalaya Wildlife Sanctuary, where nature thrives. For nature enthusiasts, the Himalaya Wildlife Sanctuary is a must-visit. Nestled in the heart of the Sahyadri mountain range, this sanctuary offers an unparalleled experience for those who seek to immerse themselves in the wonders of nature. The lush forests, teeming with life, provide a serene backdrop for hikers and wildlife observers alike. As you traverse the winding trails, you'll be greeted by the sights and sounds of a thriving ecosystem, where every step reveals a new marvel. Located in the Sahyadri mountain range, the sanctuary is home to a wide variety of flora and fauna. The dense forests are a botanist's dream, with an array of plant species that paint the landscape in vibrant hues. From towering trees to delicate flowers, the plant life here is as diverse as it is beautiful. The sanctuary's unique climate and geography create the perfect conditions for this rich biodiversity to flourish. Visitors can spot animals like leopards, deer, and sloth bears. These majestic creatures roam freely in their natural habitat, offering a rare glimpse into the lives of some of the region's most iconic wildlife. Whether you're lucky enough to catch a leopard stealthily moving through the underbrush or a group of deer grazing peacefully in a meadow, the experience is sure to leave a lasting impression. The sanctuary is a paradise for birdwatchers. With its diverse habitats, it attracts a wide variety of bird species, making it a haven for ornithologists and casual bird enthusiasts alike. The thrill of spotting a rare bird or witnessing a flock in flight is an experience that draws visitors from all over the world. It is home to over 200 species of birds, from the vibrant plumage of the Indian pitta to the majestic flight of the crested serpent eagle. The avian diversity here is truly remarkable. Each species plays a crucial role in the ecosystem, contributing to the delicate balance of nature that the sanctuary strives to protect. The Himalaya Wildlife Sanctuary is a testament to the biodiversity of the region. It stands as a living museum of natural history, showcasing the incredible variety of life that calls this area home. The sanctuary's efforts in conservation and habitat preservation are vital in maintaining this biodiversity for future generations to appreciate and learn from. It is a reminder of the importance of preserving our natural heritage. The sanctuary not only provides a refuge for wildlife but also serves as an educational resource, highlighting the significance of conservation efforts. By protecting these natural landscapes, we ensure that the beauty and diversity of our planet are preserved for all to enjoy. The Himalaya Wildlife Sanctuary is more than just a destination, it's a call to action for all who cherish the wonders of the natural world. Section 6, Kandahar Fort, standing tall through time. Perched atop a hill, Kandahar Fort is another historical gem near LOHA. The fort has witnessed numerous battles and sieges. It stands as a silent sentinel guarding the region's history. The climb to the top of the fort is rewarded with panoramic views. Visitors can explore the ruins of palaces, temples and water tanks. Kandahar Fort is a place where history comes alive. Section 7. A land of diverse landscapes and climate. LOHA is located in the Nanded district. The district is known for its diverse landscapes. From rolling hills to lush green forests, Nanded has something to offer everyone. The region experiences a semi-arid climate. Summers are hot and dry, winters are mild and pleasant. The best time to visit LOHA is during the winter months. The weather is perfect for sightseeing. Section 8, reaching LOHA, well-connected and accessible. LOHA is well connected by road and rail. National Highway 361 passes through the town. The nearest railway station is in Nanded. LOHA is easily accessible from major cities like Mumbai, Pune and Hyderabad. There are regular bus services from these cities to LOHA. Visitors can also hire private taxis or cabs to reach the town. LOHA's accessibility makes it a convenient destination for travelers. Section 9, LOHA, a journey to remember. LOHA is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. With its rich history, vibrant culture, stunning natural beauty, and warm hospitality, LOHA promises a memorable experience for every visitor. Whether you are a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or simply looking for a peaceful getaway, LOHA has something to offer everyone. Come, explore the unexplored and create memories that will last a lifetime. LOHA awaits your arrival.